Tim always says, just keep open to the process. I had identified some franchisers that I was interested in my own, and just in my eagerness to I just wanted to start right now. So I'm out piddling around on everybody else's website. It's like first conversation with Tim, so excited. Let's just go check out all the franchisers I've heard of. So you go through the FranCoach process. There's the initial, then there's answer some questions about you, and then there's a conversation with Tim. And then it takes, I think there was one more step, and then that was it. Here comes the 3 suggestions. If it's out of your comfort budget, they're not going to suggest it to you. So I would definitely reach out. Have no fear. They're not going to lock you in on something. It's painless. You have to answer some questions, but we answer those questions just to buy, garbage off of Amazon.